Yeah, here we are. See Ghost Town, Maggic Valley. See the mountain areas. And see what's going on. We're about to go in here and see the flags. It's a nice day outside. Oh, who do we see right there? Hey, what's your name, little girl?
Alexandria.
For real? Are you having a good time here?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell the people at home?
That I love Al Smith.
Ooh, girl, they gonna like that.
Make sure I got my keys.
Ooh. Let's take a look and see how the lift is. My, we have to go way up there, and it's going to be some type of thrill for us. See?
Let's walk.
Here we go, taking the ride. Say something, baby. Say something. Here I am.
Oh.
Me too. We're going up slowly in the ghost town. We're catching the train. We decided not to take the chairlift because, oh, we're both somewhat heights. We're going, slow ride. Oh, we're hitting the turbulence. We're going back up there. There we go.
See how the bar comes down?
Mm-hmm. We're gonna take it coming down. See, there goes the chairlift. Come get me.
Do you have them out?
Yep.
Nobody got to do.
You watch it that way. Just make sure I'm in the picture. You adjust it back and forth with that.
Oh, so it's already going?
Yeah. No, you gotta move. See if you see it, and then you press.
I see you.
Then you're gonna press to start again.
Hold on.
No, you don't move. You let the thing move. This is what you move.
Oh.
You move this right here to go back and forth.
Oh, so it's playing right now?
No, it's on pause. And then you press to start again.
Okay, hold on.
You see me?
I'm about to record it. Oh, it's recording. I got you. Hold on, Bully. Okay, here we are. In the mountains. Let me get the roller coaster. Out of zoom?
With that, go back and then
I need to have it far away first. Then I'll come in. I missed the loop. Let me come around also.
Okay. Let's
Stop it.
Yeah.
Come now.
Yeah, okay. We're in Ghost Town and just made it for the first time. And guess what? We don't see any ghosts yet. Here's the bus that we came in on. Yes, we had to come real slow. There we go. There's something for the scooters to do. Indian dances and rides. And Mimi and Ro, guess what? There's rides for you.
Now, down the street from the Southern Railway Station. See that mean, ugly-looking one in the middle there? That's Outlaw Boss Frank Dalton. See that big Bowie knife on his side?
That's when all of them get together, I guess.
Split a matchstick of that knife at 10 paces. And I recognize them other two varmints with him as well. That one on his right there, that's Big Ike Plant. He's wanted for murder and train robbery in every state this side of the Mississippi. And that one on his left is none other than John Wesley Hart. They say he once shot a man in his sleep just for snoring. Now they're coming up the street checking out all the doors and windows. Guessing what to see if Marshal Bill Slaughter's around somewhere. Zip he is, these men are in for some trouble themselves. He's mighty fast with that 45 and sawed-off shotgun he always carries. When they talk things over in the intersection, it looks like Dalton's going to leave Hardin on the corner to watch the marshal's office, and he's sending Big Ike over towards the Ghost Town Casino. Dalton's at the bank door, gets a nod from his man. I guess he wants to go in and find out where all them bank tellers are at. They'll need to know that if they want to pull a robbery off here today. He said, hit it, they're going in. You've lost an awful lot of bank tellers this way. Sounds like we might have just lost a few more. Coming out with a strong box, gonna shoot the lock. Well, two of them varmints went down awful quick, but watched out, Marshal. He may be out of ammunition, but he's still got it. Well, Dalton just had to try with that knife and hit, but he wasn't fast enough for our Marshal in that shotgun. When he uses that shotgun, folks, he never misses. Now, I regret that I do have to mention this, but there is one certain greedy individual in this town, and it looks as if all this noise and commotion has done got his attention. That there's Digger the Undertaker, the richest and greediest man in town. See him coming up the street there counting his money? The town pays old Digger $15 for each one of these varmints he buries out yonder to hell. Digger the Marshal says you've got one dead bank teller in there and your brother-in-law is wounded. You're wrong, Marshal. You got two dead in there now. Say, Digger, where was your brother-in-law wounded? In the foot. What do you mean he wouldn't have lived? Oh, he'd have bled to death from a foot wound. I think you just couldn't pass up an opportunity to collect $15 more. Well, check that. Now, Digger, you mean to tell me you're going to stand out here in the middle of the street in front of all these fine folks and shoot that unarmed man in the back?
Yes, I would.
Well, we can all see that you would. I guess we'd just like to know why.
I sold them boots to the marshal, and that crook was trying to get away.
You just sold them boots to the marshal, and that there crook was trying to get away. You're the crook. Well, folks, we're sorry for all this noise and commotion out here in the streets of Ghost Town today. Ordinarily, our person would stop in and say a few words, but he's out riding the circuit, so I reckon the neighborly thing to do would be to take off our hats and observe a moment of silence. On your feet, men, and there you have it.
Hooters, that's the hotel now. Easy, man.